I would like to personally welcome you and let you know that we're excited you've chosen San Juan College. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to register for classes. Here is our self-service. I'd like you to click on the Home button, please. You'll notice that self-service opened a separate tab on your browser. You're still able to get back to your MySJC, but ready to use self-service. I'd like you to take a look at this dark gray bar here on the left-hand side of the screen. In addition to the buttons in the middle, here are quick navigation links that we can use. We're going to use one of them right now. Whether you are newly enrolled, whether you have re-enrolled at San Juan College, or whether you haven't updated your information with us in the last 180 days, you might have a user profile hold on your account that will keep you from registering. So let's click on User Options and then User Profile. Self-service would like you to hit Confirm, Confirm, Confirm on your addresses, email, and phone number after reviewing them. If you have to add new information, you may do so, but please be sure to hit Confirm afterwards. You'll notice that the Confirm button did not go away. However, this blue bar tells me that this information was last confirmed today on all three. So I can be pretty confident that I've cleared my user profile hold and I'm ready to register for classes. Let's go back home in Student Self-Service. Now, we're going to click on Student Registration. Whether you know exactly what classes you need or not, you can search for courses in this navigation bar here. I have a good idea of what classes I want, but let's type in math, and business. After I hit enter, all of the math and business courses that San Juan College offers will be pulled up on this page. That's a lot of classes to scroll through, and I'll see that there's 3 pages of classes. If you look on the left, you'll find that you can filter the results. You can filter the results by availability, subjects, location, terms. There are a lot of options. I know for certain that I only want classes that are offered in the spring 2021 semester. And I want to take classes offered only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to choose to filter by those. You'll notice the filters are applied. Now I can start looking for the classes. I'm going to scroll down till I find Survey of Mathematics, Math 1130. Once you find the course you want, you can add the course to your plan. You'll get a pop-up box with the course details. You'll select the term one more time and add it to your plan. I know that I'm looking for Intro to Business as well. I'm going to scroll down until I find that. Here we go. I want to add this course to my plan for this spring. Add to plan. Once you've searched for all the classes you want and added them to your plan, we want to go back to Planning Overview. That brings us back to student registration. Now I want to go to Plan and Schedule. You'll notice that it landed on the current term. Right now we're in fall of 2020. If I use this arrow here, I can toggle forward to where I planned my spring 2021. You'll notice that the classes are here, but there's nothing in my schedule yet. That's because I have to still choose the sections. If I view sections of Intro to Business, I can find classes. As I look at each one, they can appear over here in my calendar. You'll notice that they're not appearing when they are only online. And this one here is just Monday, Wednesday. So I want to toggle to the next page of sections. Here's a Tuesday, Thursday class. Looks like it's offered a couple of different times on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to choose this earlier one by clicking on the class and adding that section. You'll notice that it's no longer ghosted on my planner, but shows up as solid. Now to choose a math class, view other sections. Looks like on this page, there's one math class available on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to look on page 2 just to see if there's anything different. Since there's not, I'll go back to page 1 and go ahead and choose to add that math class. Now that my courses are planned exactly how I wanted them, I'll be able to register as soon as registration is open. It says that my registration period for spring 2021 begins on 11/16 of 2020 at 12 o'clock a.m. As soon as registration opens, right where we see this Remove Planned Courses button, there'll be a Register Now button. All I'll have to do is make sure that my planned courses are in my calendar and click on that Register Now button. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Your success is our priority. You can call advising at 505-566-3404. Thank you.